Hi there. I just posted on Rumble. I hope you'll go over there to hear my video. Meanwhile, let me just mention something here. Just a general rule, no mandates ever. Informed consent is a fundamental right. If something is safe and effective, you don't need to mandate it. Mandates are used when you can't persuade on the merits. And the ability to say no, without penalty is the last line of defense to protect you and your children and your loved ones. And here's another one. This is from a guy named Nick Hudson, but it encapsulates very simply something I've observed. The general rule of thumb that I believe everyone should adopt is that if any problem is being presented as a global crisis, then it's a scam. Think about that. A global crisis. So that's to create fear, right? Global crisis, then it's a scam. And whenever something is presented as the science or as a consensus, it's a scam. They create fears and then they come up with a solution. But the solution is just making money for people, it's taking away your freedoms, and it's hurting you. So your first step is don't believe it. Don't believe it. Have a good life. Have personal freedom. Keep your energy. And I hope you come join me on Rumble. Bye now.